Hi friend, I hope you all are taking good care of all of you and please take care. And today in this video I will discuss 3.1 today's bank nifty jackpot trading. I am talking about this Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet help us to identify one day before if there is any big potential of movement or not. I will show you exactly how. And then see, today there was a very good profit of 10,000 per lot. I will describe you how. And also till today, since the January 2020, we have a profit of 1,29,173. I will talk about the detailed track sheet. The detailed track sheet is included in the Excel file. The link you will able to find in the descriptions of this video. And I will also describe today how to operate this strategy. See, I am talking about this Excel. Here you have to enter the 3 point data for today to find whether there is a jackpot trade or not tomorrow. And if you find the opportunity, and opportunity means either of these yellow shaded area will show you yes. If it shows you yes, then in next day what you have to do, you have to trade on the break of first 15-minute candle and you have to exit the trade at 3. If it is breaking on the downside, then high of the first 15-minute candle will be your stop loss. If it is breaking the higher side of the first 15-minute candle, then the low of the first 15-minute candle will be your stop loss. For an example, today the market break, this is the first 15-minute candle. So if this day, that means yesterday, this Excel sheet shows yes, then today you have to enter below this first 15-minute candle. I will show you what, but before that I quickly show you the track sheet. This is the recent trade, and this shaded zone is the zone where market become very volatile. And as you can see, the only single loss was there in this. See, try to understand, volatility always benefit the trader if there is a good strategy. So this strategy since January, the first trade of this year was on 2nd of January. Now, if once you download this Excel sheet, those who are already downloaded this Excel sheet from the link given in the descriptions, and if you want to, then I urge you, I request you, so please enter the data and validate all this trade. You will receive this Excel sheet and it is up to you. You should check each and every trade, validate this trade whether the trade was exactly as it is or not, instead of asking me from this Excel sheet. Yes, I will provide this Excel sheet, but then it is up to you to test, because by this way you will able to get a bonding with this strategy and you will get the feel of this strategy and it will be easy for you to trade based on that strategy. Now I am talking about this Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, in this Excel sheet, what you have to do is you have to enter the first 15-minute candle high low of the day. For example, this is the first 15-minute candle high and low. There is a mistake here. It will be 9:30. Let me rectify, but that will not change the formula here. So high of the candle, of the first candle, I am talking about yesterday. I am also changing the date here. So date is yesterday was 331, right? Now I will enter the yesterday's data. The high of the yesterday's was 19,299 and the low was 18,926. 18,926. That's it. I have taken the first 15-minute candle high low. Now I have to take this last 15-minute candle high low of yesterday. Remember, it is yesterday after market close. Yesterday you have to enter the data to find whether there is a jackpot day or not. If there is a jackpot opportunity, then these two, any of these two yellow shaded area will show you yes. If it is show you yes, then next day you have to buy or sell on the breakout of the first 15-minute candle. This is as simple as that. Now the high of this candle is 19,125, 19,125, and the low is 18,990, 18,990, and the high of the day. Now see, this is the candle where the high of the day yesterday was made. So I will take the high from this candle. 19,500 was the high, and the low of the day was in this candle, and the low was 8,188.20. As you can see, already it is showing, it has changed in front of you, and it is talking about yes, tomorrow is jackpot day. What it means, if it says tomorrow is a jackpot day, then you have to enter on a break of first 15-minute candle, and you have to exit at 3 p.m. That's it. So based on this Excel, we had opportunity of last we have opportunity of almost 37 trade in this year, and in this 37 trade total we have gained 6,458.65 points. As the bank nifty lot size is 20, it means 1,29,173 profit. Today, where was the entry as per this system? Obviously, this is the first 15-minute candle, and the entry of this candle will be below the low. The low was 18,720, and the entry was triggered around 18,715, and you have to exit at the 3 p.m. So 3 p.m. Was this. The close was around 8209, and the so a trade exit actually happens at 18214. That's mean it was a 501 point profit. That is almost 10,000 profit per lot. So, thank you so much for your time with me. Again, I am saying that you should all take good care of yourself during this uncertain time, and all the best. Thank you for your time.